Alright, it's green. Oh, damn. Downshift. Downshift again. See the water? Are y'all ready? All right, boys, we're out of here. Let's get out the garage. Okay, let's go nice and easy, like this. We're about to go down to Santa Monica and then maybe down through PCH or something. Put the car in sports mode, just so y'all can hear it. Uh-oh, there's gonna be a red light. All right, we'll just stop. We'll just stop. We're good. Whole lot of traffic. God damn. Alright, I think we're good right here. Yeah, I hear the burbles. The little back pops. Alright, we're good. Green light. Oh shit, tunnel. Bro, I've been wanting to drive this car all day long, man. I was out here working, just being a busy man. Come on, man. I still gotta add some oil to it. No cap. Just a little bit. I think it's a little bit low. But that's about it. Other than that, oh shit, this shit is so fire. Alright, let's slow down. Let's slow down, man. Let's slow down, man. Alright, we're chilling. We're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling. Let's change the colors of the interior though. I want what color should we do? Actually, just stay in this lane. I want this color. It's a slight difference, but it is different. Don't get it twisted now. Alright, it's green. Oh, damn. Downshift. Downshift again. Low shit. Low burbles. Low burble tanks. Alright, let's calm down. Hey, if y'all want to see a POV driving video with music, check out one of my first videos. I posted it last week with this it's like POV setup. Let's check it out, last week's video. It's got like music playing, like we got Lil Baby, we got Lil Durk, we got TYS in there. We got all types of artists in that video. I wish there was no cars in front of me, man. I'm trying to hear this. Alright. Alright, access to coast. Then we gotta turn right here. Right? What is this truck doing? What the hell? Alright. I think we good. Are we going the right way? Oh yeah, I remember this road. Oh, I remember I came down this street in my bobber. I had a little Yamaha 1300cc V-Star. Oh wait, is there a curb right here? No, right? Alright. And then I was riding through PCH. I felt like an OG, like an unk.
$100 for your fucking hair, $200 for your fucking nails. Girl, I got you another dress.
My brakes are gonna squeak. Wait, no they're not. Yeah, they are. Alright, cool. Alright, it's fine. Oh, damn. I didn't like the way that shifted. Oh fuck, what the hell? I did not see that bro. My life just flashed before my eyes. I almost went head on to that guy. That's hella scary. That could have been it. I could have died right there, bro. Oh, this is a tunnel. Are y'all ready? Yeah, that was fire. That was so far. Alright boys, that's going to wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the videos. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.